Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies, this prolonged extended period of audio podcast, and I shifted my place in Dubai. And in new place, I'm getting difficulty in getting the internet connection. So Dubai internet service provider was so slow, and still problem is going on. So I'm just using only my mobile network. So therefore, audio podcast only for 1 or 2 more days. And coming back to the markets, and nobody expected this kind of market today. For no reason, Bank Nifty shot up 1,000 point on Friday from intraday low to intraday high. And today, for no reason, once again, Bank Nifty has fallen more than 1,000 point from intraday high to low. And distinctly visible was the PSU stocks, public sector stocks like SJVN. SJVN fell 20% today. REC, PFC, ONGC, NHPC, all the public sector banks as well as public sector enterprises stocks came under a severe selling pressure today. And also the private sector banks. And the HDFC Bank, about 1 week, 10 days before, there was a panic open, gap down open, and at 1380, and that was a free trade probably. But that day, HDFC Bank closed about 5% higher from that level. But today, morning, all private sector banks were down, but only HDFC Bank was higher. Then that also started selling off. And this kind of 1,000 point upside move, downside move, it's happening almost on a day-to-day basis. So today, this is the fifth trading day. Bank Nifty has fallen more than 1,000 point from intraday high to low in the last 1 month. So it is a banking stocks plus public sector. These two are dragging the market like anything, while US markets are trading at all-time high. And surprisingly, there was no selling by FIIs also. And there was no selling by DIIs also. I do not know what triggers this kind of a panic in the market, where many PSU stocks falling 20%, 30% in just 2 trading sessions. And our market is finally stuck in the range of 21,500 to 22,000. And it is for the last 2 months. December expiry was around 21,750. And from there, markets are moving violently every day. And with today, 12 trading sessions are over in February. And all the 12 trading sessions, Nifty making a minimum of 200-point move, upside or downside. And today, also, I think there was some freak trade in Nifty in the morning. Morning high, it was showing 22,080, something like that. Bank Nifty was showing 45,599, something like that. Yeah, so our market is distinctly weak compared to the other markets. And surprisingly, there is no reason for that. So probably today the Bihar Assembly floor test could be one reason. But then that should not have this kind of a impact in our market. So luckily, IT stocks did well. So as I always say, for the last like 1 month or 2 months, whenever banks fall, IT goes up. Whenever IT falls, banks go up. So it's going here and there, and finally not going anywhere. And looking at the open interest, so people have sold aggressively 21,800 call, 21,900 call, and 22,000 call. So now looks like 21,800 itself will be a problem. And of course, because like today's Monday, we only have 3 more trading sessions. Even if Nifty goes up by 100 point tomorrow and day after tomorrow 100 point, still it will be around 21,800. That 21,800 call will be trading around the same price only. So because last 3 days, there's unless there's a big gap up or big gap down or a big move, the time value will help these people to make money. But the problem is not at the Nifty. Problem is at the broader markets. Look at the mid cap, small cap, and PSU banks, and none of the PSU banks ended in green today. And at least SBA is better than other banks. Most other banks have fallen like 5%, 10% like that. So it is a good selling, it's a good consolidation, and the longer the consolidation, probably the next leg of the rally may be very good. But this longer consolidation, it's already over 6 weeks. Maybe another 2 to 3 weeks it may happen. So I'm assuming that today's jitterness probably partly because of this Bihar floor test. But that Bihar floor test is over. In fact, it was very clear that JDU will be winning because they got 125 votes to remove the speaker. So that shows that they have the numbers. So anyway, after the market close, so the result has come. So JDU has gone through the motion. So now BJP is firmly in the power in Bihar also. And also like some Ashok Chavan from Maharashtra resigned from Congress and is likely to get a Rajya Sabha MP seat. So now things are going in BJP way. So, and the market is also assuming that, but still, some of the PSU stocks, they have run up so much, and some kind of profit booking is coming. So once this profit booking is over, somewhere the markets may stabilize, and then say market may start moving higher, and election commission is likely to announce the dates for parliament election somewhere between March 10 to March 20. So this is as per some sources. So the problem is that as and when the election commission announces the dates, when we are going nearer to the parliament election, the volatility index is likely to continue to move higher. And today also, India VIX is up more than 5%. And then that is likely to continue. And then the expiries after the parliament election, the premiums likely to start shooting up on both the sides. So anyway, this weekend I will come out with a special video how to position ourselves in order to capture the violent move before and after the parliament election. So right now, Bank Nifty is not looking good. Both private as well as public sector banks have came into severe selling pressure today, and public sector stocks. Other than that, the things are okay. But there are many surprises today. Bharat Forge came out with a very good result. Profit is up more than 200%, but still the stock has fallen more than 15%. Right? So probably the people have taken more long positions expecting even better result. So anyway, the result season will be coming to an end in another few days time, and by 15th of February. And our inflation data, I did not check the inflation data. So usually the day before or ahead of the inflation data, Bank Nifty tends to underperform. And so that is what has happened today. So we will see where the US market closes today, where we are going to open tomorrow. But one can become bearish when Nifty breaks 21,500 on the downside. One can become bullish when 22,000 is taken on the higher side. Until then, it's going to be one day up, one day down. Friday, Bank Nifty up 1,000 point from intraday low. Today, it is down more than 1,000 point from intraday high. So it's going to go to all over the places. The clear trend will be only either below 21,500 or 22,000. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.